Read
A
question number
tree,
2.
a tree was broken due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with the ground. The distance the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down.
Okay. A tree breaks due to storm and had broken part bent so that the top of a tree touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with ground. The distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు రైనీ సీజన్ వర్షాలు పడుతున్నాయి కదా, చెట్లు విరిగిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ ట్రీ, ఇది చెట్టు అనుకోండి. ఓకే, చెట్టు ఏమైందంట, గాలికి పడిపోయిందంట. గాలికి పడిపోతే ఏమవుతుంది, గాలికి పడిపోతే చెట్టు మధ్యలోకో లేదంటే సగానికి ఇటు ఎంతో కొంత బ్రేక్ అవుతానే కదా విరిగిపోయేది. ఓకే,
Yes, sir.
సో దీని యొక్క టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రీ ఈస్ టచింగ్ ద గ్రౌండ్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్, ఫైండ్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రీ బిఫోర్ బ్రేకింగ్. అంటే విరగడానికి ముందు చెట్టు హైట్ ఎంత ఉందో అది కావాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ దిస్ distance or this length and this length. If you add these two, you will get that height of a tree. It is making an angle of 30-degree with the ground. So this is the opposite side. This will become the hypotenuse. Height is nothing but opposite plus hypotenuse. That will give you the height of a tree. Understood now?
Yes, sir. When we should find a height, we should add the opposite and hypotenuse, sir.
For this situation I am saying. Okay, not understood?
No, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది చెట్టు, అవునా?
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఏమైంది, బ్రేక్ అయిపోయింది, విరిగిపోయింది. విరిగిపోయి ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఇలా గ్రౌండ్ టచ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చెట్టు హైట్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు ఇది కూడా చెట్టే కదా, గ్రౌండ్ టచ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండు కలిపితే చెట్టు హైట్ వస్తుంది. ఇదంటే ఆపోజిట్, ఇదంటే హైపోటెన్యూస్. ఈ రెండు కలిపితే చెట్టు హైట్ వస్తుందని చెప్పాను. అండర్స్టూడ్ నో?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see. So what is given first? Angle is given. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. And distance between foot of the tree and the point of the
Top of
distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters.
meter.
Our distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree.
6 meters.
On the ground. That is equal to 6 meters. So if you know the adjacent side, if you want to find the opposite, which formula you can use? You can use tan.
Tan.
We have to find height of a tree. Tree before falling. అంటే చెట్టు విరగక ముందు దాని హైట్ ఎంత కావాలి? That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So solution, tan theta opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 opposite is nothing but BC, adjacent is 6. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
Sir, we know adjacent value now, sir.
Yes, we written adjacent value, right?
We should find now hypotenuse and opposite, sir. Means we should take SAM.
You can take any trigonometric ratio, sin, cos, cot, secant, cosecant ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, ఏం కావాలి, ఆ క్లారిటీ ఉంటే చాలు.
Okay, sir.
Here it is given adjacent. I want to find opposite. I can go for tan. So now do cross multiplication. 6 by root 3. So this is the length of BC, 6 by root 3.
Sir, how root 3 came, sir?
Tan 30 value, how much from the tan table?
By root 3.
1 by root 3.
That's what it is came 1 by root 3.
Okay, sir.
Table already given na for you. Tan 0,
Yes,
tan
sir.
30, tan 45, tan 60. So you have to remember these values.
Okay, sir.
Okay, copy this up to here first. Completed writing up to here?
No, sir.
Sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Not completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. So now tell me how to find out the hypotenuse.
Opposite plus hypotenuse. Height.
Opposite plus adjacent.
Opposite plus,
Adjacent.
that will give you hypotenuse value.
Pythagoras theorem, sir.
Opposite
You
by
can use
hypotenuse.
you can use sine 30 or cos 30. You can use, no problem.
Opposite by
Sine theta is there, for example. Sine is nothing but
Opposite by hypotenuse.
yes, opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 30 degrees, right? What is the opposite here? BC.
6 by root 3.
This is AC. Sine 30 how much?
1 by root 3.
2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
Yes or no?
Correct only,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
6.
So cross multiply. AC is nothing but 2 into 6 by root 3. AC is nothing but 12 by root 3. So this is the hypotenuse value. So now I want the height of a tree. Height of a tree, h is nothing but
Opposite plus hypotenuse.
yes, that is BC plus AC. So what is the value of BC? 6 by root 3.
6 by root 3.
This is 12 by root
12
3.
by root 3.
Root 3.
Total is 18 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Fractional is the denominator. So what you will get?
18 by
Multiply and divide with root 3. Okay.
18 root 3 by 3.
By 3. 3 1 the 3 6 are right. 6 root 3. So this will be the height of a tree. Or you can write h is equal to 6 into root 3 value is nothing but 1.732 approx. So multiply these two, you will get the final answer. 6 to the 12, 1, 18, 19, 1, 42, 43, 4, 10. So how much we are getting? 10.392. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy down.
Okay, sir.
sir. Sir.
Tell me.
Sir, we can write the height equals to 18 by root 3 also.
Yes, you can also keep that one also.
Okay, sir.
18 by root 3 is also you can write, but further simplification it is 10.392 meters.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, question number 4 completed, right? Question number 4
Yes, sir.
చేశారా మీరు మొన్న? You
Yes,
got the
sir.
answer? Okay. Now question number 5. Read that question.
You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 roots. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the total length of the rope required?
Okay. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle of 30 with the pole. Okay. Listen. So electric poles, do you observe?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way electric poles will be there, right? Okay. So they are supported with some ropes. They tied with some ropes to make it strong. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you want to erect a pole of height 10 meters. Height of the pole is given, that is 10 meters. With the support of how many ropes? 3 ropes. 1, 2, 3. Each rope has to make an angle of 30 degree with the pole. They are making an angle with the pole, not with the ground. So here the angle is here. What should be the length of the rope? This is the question he was asking. This is a pole. This is the rope. So angle is here. So this will be opposite. This is the adjacent. How we will find the length of a rope? Tell me for this given information. Rope is nothing but here the hypotenuse. Which trigonometric ratio you have to use? Think and say.
Tan, sir.
Tan. Why tan? I want to calculate the length of a rope, not the opposite side now. I know adjacent.
Sine,
Think
sir.
and say. Side. You know
Yes, sir.
opposite. You know opposite. ఆపోజిట్ తెలుసా మీకు సైన్ వాడాలంటే?
No, sir.
దెన్ హౌ యూ విల్ యూజ్ సైన్?
Sir, Pythagoras
Pythagoras theorem, sir.
పైథాగరస్ థీరం యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఏవేని రెండు సైడ్లు తెలియాలి కదా. యూ డోంట్ నో టూ సైడ్స్ నా? వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్? థింక్ అండ్ సే. అడ్జసెంట్ కి హైపోటెనస్ కి రిలేషన్ ఉన్నది ఏముంది ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోలో? Remember what is given? Adjacent is given. I need the hypotenuse. So adjacent hypotenuse relation, cos is there, secant is there. I can use any one. Yes or no? Understood the concept? Adjacent to hypotenuse. ఈ రెండింటికి రిలేషన్ దేంట్లో ఉంది? కాస్ లో ఉంటుంది, సెకంట్ లో ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ వన్. కాస్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, సెకంట్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. థింక్ ఇన్ సచ్ ఎ వే. ఓకే, now tell me what is the given statements fast? Height of a pole is given. How much height of a pole? 10 meters. Angle how much?
30 degrees.
What we have to find?
Length of the rope. Total length of the rope.
We have to find total. We have to find the length of the rope. Length of 3 ropes or length of a rope. Okay. Solution. I can use cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 adjacent is what here? Give the names A, B, C. BC. Right? Hypotenuse is AC. Cos 60 is how much? Cos 30, sorry.
1/2, sir. Cos 30 equals to root 3/2.
Root 3/2. Cross multiply.
Cross multiplication. Root 3 equal to
AC.
2 into 10. 20.
Okay. 20 by root 3. So this is
AC
the
equal-
length of one rope. Oka rope length 20 by root 3. We have to find the length of 3 ropes, right?
3 ropes, sir.
3 ropes తో టై చేశారు కాబట్టి length of 3 ropes. Three into 20 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Rationalize the denominator. Multiply and divide with root 3.
20 root 3 by 2.
Okay, 3 into 20 into root 3 by 3 kada.
Yes, sir. 3
3
3
3 gets
cancel.
cancelled. 20 root 3. We are getting an answer called 20 root 3. Root 3 value how much I told you? 1.732. So
34.64, sir.
yes, 34.640 meters or 64 meters. So this is the length of 3 ropes. Understood now?
Sir. So, sir, once explain length of 3 ropes onwards, sir.
Yes. Take it down. So this is only length of one rope.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What is the next question?
Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object?
Okay. Okay. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground. Okay. Listen, this is a building. Okay, we are sitting on the top of a building and we are shooting an arrow to a target which is on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Understood now? So he given the
Yes,
height of the building is nothing but 6 meters. 6 is the height. And making an angle of depression. So this is our horizontal line and here is the angle. 60-degree angle. So now the question is, what is the distance between you and object? అంటే మీరున్న ప్లేస్ కి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్న ప్లేస్ కి ఎంత దూరం ఉంది? So this distance we have to find. So now you see this is a right angle triangle.
sir.
So this will form a right angle triangle. So angle of depression is same as angle of elevation. Both are equal. So now name it, this is ABC. So this is 6 meters. Now you want this one. So this will become opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent. Now tell me, if you know the opposite, how we will find out the hypotenuse? Think and tell me.
Sin theta, sir. Hypotenuse by opposite. Opposite by
Yes.
hypotenuse, sir.
Yes, sin theta you can use, cosec theta you can use, 2 you can use. So now use that sin theta and find out the hypotenuse and tell me the answer.
Okay. Sir. Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, 12 by root 3, sir.
Yes, 12 by root 3. Simplify చేసి చెప్పండి.
Okay, sir. Sir, 12 root 3 by 3.
Okay.
Correct, sir.
12.
12 root 3 by 3.
Okay, that is in roots now. Simplify, rationalize the denominator like that I told you.
Yes, sir. Rationalized.
If you rationalize, what you'll get? Multiply and divide with root 3.
12 root 3
by
by
3. 3
Yes,
1
sir.
3 4 4 root 3. Root 3
Yes,
value
sir.
is 1.732 into.
Yes, sir.
Got SSV? Funny.
Doing, sir.
Sir, 6.928.
Correct. Answer is correct. Okay.
Okay.
See the seventh question.
Over, sir. Question is
Yes, copy this. Like this, you have to copy in
okay.
the
Sir.
notebook, and solution part you write here. What is the calculation you did?
Completed, sir. Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yashasvi, Sunny completed.
No, sir.
You got the same answer.
Not doing, sir, that only.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir. Root 2 value 1.1414, sir.
1.414.
414. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
6.928 getting, sir.
6.928.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you see here. So here we have to find the hypotenuse. I know that opposite. I want to find the hypotenuse. I can use the sine value. Why? Because sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Yes. Sine 60 degrees, that is equal to, here the opposite is BC,
6.
it is AC. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
BC is how much? 6 by H,
80.
hypotenuse. So do the cross multiplication. So 12 by root 3. Simplify, rationalize the denominator.
Into root 3.
Four root 3 already. 4 into 1.732. Six point nine two eight.
6.928.
Okay. So up to here copy. We will continue tomorrow.
Completed,
Okay.
sir.
Next question.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Up to 6 questions you practice. We'll continue 7th question from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
practice the same 6 questions, and before try this, do these problems all together. Try that.
Okay, sir.
Try this, do this like that. Problems will be there now.
Yes, sir.
అవి కూడా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఐ విల్
Okay, sir.
క్లారిఫై.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.